Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Maven from Apache, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Maven from Apache, start by visiting the official Apache Maven website. Navigate to the downloads section of the site. Choose the latest version of Maven to download. Select the binary zip archive link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file on your computer. Extract the contents of the zip file to a directory of your choice. Remember this directory, as you'll need it in the next steps. Now, it's time to set up the environment variables. For Windows users, open the Control Panel. Go to System and Security, then click on System. Select Advanced System Settings from the sidebar. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. In the User Variables section, click on New to create a new environment variable. Name the variable Maven_home and set its value to the directory where you extracted Maven. Click OK to save the new variable. Next, find the path variable in the System Variables section and select it. Click Edit, then New, and add the path to the Maven bin folder. This path usually looks like Maven_home/bin. Click OK to save the changes and close all dialog boxes. For macOS or Linux users, open a terminal window. Use a text editor to open your profile file, like .bash_profile or .bashrc. Add a new line for the Maven_home variable, pointing to the installation directory. Also, append the Maven bin directory to your path variable. Save the changes and close the editor. To apply the changes, run the command source/.bash_profile or source/.bashrc. Now, it's time to verify the installation. Open a new terminal or command prompt window. Type mvnv and press enter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.